What's good, ladies and gents? So we've got our new little project right here. So as you can see, it's from Horizon Hobby. It's CubCrafters Carbon Cub FX-3. Uses a 100 to 200 cc. Kind of just reading what the box says to you. It's from Hangar 9. Horizon Hobby sells it. Almost ready to fly, and this sucker is gonna need a couple of things to complete it. Hopefully this comes through, but if you can't, the engine size, like I kind of said over here, we'll need a 100 to 200 cc engine. You'll need a radio, have that already, but we'll be upgrading to I want to say it's like the iX14 or something like that from Spectrum. Servos, I'll need another 8+, depending on how many things I want to run on this sucker. But yeah, the minimum will be 8. If I understood that correctly. Need to go through the manual and check it out. And yeah, this will be the receiver battery that I will need right there. So yeah, comes in 2 boxes. Here's one box, and then over here we've got the second one where the wings come in. I don't know if you guys saw, but there's the specs on how long and big this sucker is, from wingspan to length to the weight range, just depending on what motor you go with. So I made this little stand here right quick so I can start building it. It's gonna be up to, you know, hip height on me. I'm 5'9" or something like that. You know, I grow an inch every couple months. Psych. And yeah, so here we have it. A little unboxing video for you guys. I didn't see one on the YouTube, so I was like, dude, it'd be kind of cool to show the peeps like what comes inside this thing. And what's been kind of consuming my time lately has been flying RC planes, messing with RC cars. My hobby room has gotten full of all this stuff, so they've kind of dwindled down here. So here we got what my latest and greatest one, the DBX LE, also from Horizon Hobby. This is a big sucker too. Here, I'll kind of show you guys. So this is a big Yeti, right? So as you can see, freaking tires on it are the size of it, or just the tires of the size of it. And by it I mean this big ol' freaking can of goodness in there. What's up, dude? What's in there? So yeah, that, and oh, I got that too, but the servo went out. Dragster from Primal RC, so I gotta get that fixed and going to run it. And then we got a DJI M300 down here with the P1 camera. So we're gonna be doing some pretty cool chase videos of, like, I don't know, the planes, the RCs, whatever, dude, whatever we want to do with it. But anyways, back to the reason why I'm making this video is this puppy. So here comes a fuselage. Now mind you, I've never built one of these. I've never had an airplane with a gas engine, so lots of research to be done. I was reading that you even need like a permit to be able to fly it under a certain AMA rules and regulations, and somebody from there has to come and like inspect it once I'm done with it. Dude, I guess you can do all that if you're gonna be flying it there, but if you got a big enough piece of property, and technically you're supposed to register these with FAA, I mean, shoot, why not? Send it, dude. So here she is with all her glory. So shall we go through this thing? Oh, I will put these on the side. I'll take them out. I kind of just want to see the fuselage without everything else in the way. Look at that control surface, dude. It is literally the size of my freaking arm with my hand. God, this is gonna be so cool. So yeah, here she is. I'm gonna take her out and put it, I kind of ripped it earlier. I wanted to see it, so sorry, not a complete true unboxing, because like I said, I wanted to see it. Oh, here's a big old tube that goes through the fuselage to support the wings. I was reading that you can actually get the, yeah, it's got some weight to it. I was reading that you can actually get these in carbon fiber, so that's probably what I'll end up doing to lessen the weight on this puppy, make it a little more nimble. And the plan is to go with the DLE 170cc motor with this puppy, 2-stroker. Whoo, she's gonna scream. Well, they don't really scream. I've watched videos already on it, but yeah. So yeah, let me take the sucker out and finally put it on the stand that I made for it so that I could start working on it. Okay, well there she is on the stand. Whoo-wee. Mind you how many footsteps I'm taking too, just to get to the very end. This thing's so silly big, which is, you know, obviously the reason why I bought it. Oh my god, checking it out, looking at it, everything seems pretty nice, pretty tight on this body. Airframe, fuselage, whatever you want to call it. There are some wrinkles that you can iron out in a few places right here, but you know, nothing major. Everything looks structurally safe. You guys probably won't be able to see very much in here, but oh, you could see pretty good down that way. See, nothing's cracked. Everything is good. Let's see, let's kind of put the rudder on here. Oh boy, look at the size of this thing. Oh my god, I'll show you guys one of the elevators too. Here, let's definitely don't want to drop those. Brake crack, oopsie. Oh my goodness. So this would go, yeah, back here on this side. Boom. Whoo-wee. This thing is massive. Oh my god. Here again, there's, I don't know if you guys can tell, but freaking things like the size of my arm as well. Well, lengthwise, obviously not the size of it, clearly bigger than my arm. But oh, I put that in. Did I put that in right? I'm gonna take care of it later. We'll keep the video rolling. But as you guys can see, this thing is huge. It's amazing. I mean, I'd even be all right with building this whole thing, not even flying it, hanging it up on the wall or from the ceiling, you know. I did get one part for it already. Been doing a little bit of research and my head's starting to hurt, so I just kind of went with this. If you guys suggest going with something else, let me know. This is what's going to control the sucker, run the power to the servos, yada yada yada. So yeah, let me know. Let me know if I should get something different, because I'm definitely open to it. Oh, and then I gotta build that semi. It's what we're gonna use to tow this thing, put it on the trailer. I'm just kidding. But anyways, back to the unboxing. We'll start on this little corner. Looks like this corner just has the numbers, a couple stickers, you know, nothing too exciting on that side. Like I said, this pole, dude. Yeah, there's the pole right there. Oh, we got some seats. Oh yeah, that we're gonna be putting up right up in here. What's up, dude? Oh, that's gonna be cool. I don't think this guy comes with a little pilot in there, so we'll have to buy one of those. Dude, the freaking size of these wheels. That's badass. And they're not like cheap plastic, rubber, whatever that's hard. This looks like it'll land on it pretty nicely. You know, it's not like some of these little, I mean, obviously they're baby planes, small planes compared to this thing, but they come with those like cheap plastic wheels, tires, and when you bounce, you know, you kind of hear it's all plasticky and whatnot. Glad they didn't skimp out and do something like that with this thing. Obviously, probably wouldn't be able to hold the weight, but you never know. Manufacturers do some of the silliest things sometimes. But I'm looking to see, because I did see a picture the other day of one that was built. Dude, and this dude had like the nice, big old fat like bush tires on there. So I'm gonna have to try to find those and buy them for this thing, because it'd be way sweeter than running these little bunker things. Looks like we've got, oh cool. Okay, so there's a DLE 170. And it tells you where you should drill to mount the motor up front. This almost looks like G10 that they use right here. Bet you it is G10. So you use this as a template to kind of make your holes and mount the engine. Pretty sweet. Let's see what else we got. Some windows, some hardware. This looks like it's a landing gear. Yep. Oh, look at the size of this freaking gas tank. Pretty cool. It doesn't seem like it lasts that long. Probably just like an RC plane that's battery operated that lasts like 5-6 minutes, something like that. I don't know. Again, I'm new to this. Don't know really much about it. Been doing a lot of research. That's what's been taking a lot of my time, my free time at least. Some more landing gear hardware. Looks like the tail wheel, the nav slash maybe landing lights, whatever. Nice little bundle. Ooh, they look like nice LEDs too, big suckers. What do we got here? More hardware. These look like they'll be going on the control surfaces. So cool. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, the little, looks like little fuel caps that go on the top. Let's see. For the pitot tubes. I don't know, one of the two. More hardware. We got the antenna. And then we've got some more glass. That looks like it probably go right here ish. Is that it from here? Oh no, we got lots more hardware down there. Tells you kind of where it goes too. Lefter. Let's see. More hardware. Bunch of tubes. Oh, here's a freaking shocks slash landing struts, whatever you want to call them. Ooh, look at the size of these too. God, everything about this plane is just huge. The nose cone, where the good old engine is going to be, had to take this plastic off of it. It's sealed. But I will be taking the plastic off of it, checking it out, looking for any imperfections, because it would be a bummer to have an imperfection on that guy. So be taking that off. If there's no imperfections, then I'll be leaving it on there. If not, then yeah. And so I did read, now that I'm looking over here, I'm gonna have to keep these separated back. Where'd that thing go? Oh, there it is. So that one came in the original box. These came after. So I'm guessing that these are the newer ones where they fixed the issue, where these could potentially open up or something. I was reading on the bottom, leak, you know, spring open or something, because that C-clip in there wasn't sitting in the right. So yeah, this will be good. This will be good that I'm recording this, because if I ever forget by the time I get done building this thing, then I'm going back and look at this and know that these are the ones I'm supposed to use. What else? Oh, we got the dash. Look at this sucker, dude. Cool. And this, I don't know what the heck this is for. We'll figure it out later. And it looks like more plexi. This would be for the front. Yeah, you can tell this one's the front. But yeah, that is everything that is in this box that came in the fuselage. So onto the wings. Open that sucker up, show you guys what's in there, and yeah. All right, boys, so we got the box open on these wings. Whew. It's basically the size of the plane too. Come in nice wing bags. Check that out, dude. Pretty cool. Looks like, yeah, that's all that's gonna be in here, is just the wings. So I'm obviously gonna need 2 hands. I'm gonna try to be careful. Definitely don't want to drop these as well. And take these out, inspect them. I did look at the nose cone. There's like little slight like imperfections, ever so slightly, right there. I don't know if you guys can even see that. It's right here. There's like 3 little dots. Not worried about it. It's not cracked. Everything looks good. Paint lines are freaking pretty sharp. So, I mean, I'm happy. So that's that. I'm gonna take these out, show you guys what's in there, what it looks like, yada yada yada. Be right back. Alright guys, well, there is wing numero uno. What a beauty, dude. Look at this thing, so cool. Again, looks like we've got some little areas where it's come up a little bit, but nothing, a little bit of heat can't take care of. This wing looks good. I'll probably take this outside and let the light hit it so that I can see if there are any cracks or breaks in the ribs in here. But from what I'm seeing right now, I don't see any, but also want to double check. Waited to put this thing together, put it up in the air, and then since one of those was broken, cracked, whatever, out of place, came unglued, whatever it may have been, freaking the thing's come falling out of the air. I saw a video not too long ago where this guy had was flying his, did some sort of maneuver, and like the thing came apart in a whole bunch of pieces and unfortunately crashed it. So being how much that these things cost, especially once you are done and up in the air, definitely don't want to do that. That would be a bummer and a half. Oh, I figured out what those little, you guys remember those little ones, that piece of plexiglass that I said I didn't know what those ones are for? Looks like they're gonna go over this, over the light. Oh, come on, get out of my way. Okay, you're just gonna do what you want. So yeah, looks good, pretty cool. This just made me that much more excited to get going and start putting this thing together. So yeah, going to be doing some research again. If some of you that have this and want to share some of your R&D that you've done on what works best, electronics, servos, whatever, you know, I've obviously been looking and seeing at what the ones that I have found, what they were running. But you know, those are older videos, and who knows, there might be something better that I could run on this sucker. Same with prop size. I'm trying to decide on the prop side. I know I'm gonna go carbon fiber prop and carbon fiber nose cone. So yeah, that is decided. Just got to figure out the size. I already know the motor I'm gonna throw in here. So yeah. Anyways, hope you guys kind of enjoyed this unboxing video of what all comes in this big old beast and what you get and how you get it and what it looks like in the box. I know I like watching some unboxing videos, so yeah, this was kind of cool. Like I said, I didn't see one up online that I could watch, so I figured, hey, why not? And we'll probably end up doing like a little build series of this sucker on Le YouTube. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you on the next video.